HMD Global, which produces Nokia phones now, has officially announced the mid-range Nokia X5. The X5, like its sibling the X6, has a notch in the glass body, signaling that HMD is now fully committed to the design trend first started by Apple's iPhone X. The Nokia X5 is a more affordable and lower-spec'd version of the X6. It's got a 5.9-inch HD Plus display and a 19:9 aspect ratio. The quality is slightly lower than the X6, meaning video streaming and gaming won't be quite as good. The X5 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 processor and it contains a 3060 mAh battery. It has options for 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, and 32 or 64 GB of storage. As for cameras, it has an 8-megapixel selfie cam and dual 13-megapixel and 5-megapixel cameras on the back, alongside a fingerprint sensor. The device runs Android 8.1. The Nokia X5 comes in black, blue, and white and is available for pre-order in China now. There's no word yet on whether the device is coming to other countries.